mileage on this car is 79,256. It does match up on CARFAX, the odometer. CARFAX shows a similar, a little bit lower, 78,000 something other, but I have put a few miles on it. CARFAX does show some sort of accident 20 years ago, but I don't know where it was or what happened. We've totally disassembled this car, and I've got pictures of it disassembled. You can look at it. Must have been something minor, but it is what it is. But I've got good pictures of this whole car disassembled, the frame, pictures of it when it was sandblasted, pictures of it after it was painted before it was all put back together. So everything on here is solid, and there's not globs of Bondo or anything like that. I mean, my body shop guy was a good welder. If there was any rust or anything, he welded it. He would not just slap some Bondo on it. Move on. The roof rack, the chrome corners I talked to you about, those were replated. Those cost about $75 each to replate. Let's talk about the grill here. This is a grill from an 86 to 91 Jeep. I like that grill better than the plastic. This is aluminum grill, aluminum surround. This is plastic. All of them on the inserts are plastic, but this is an aluminum surround. The 85 grill, plastic, and I've got a couple of them in my garage here. They're crappy. They're cheap. I don't like the look of them. I like the look of this better. You like the look of the 85? I'm glad to give you the 85 grill, and you can swap it on, but it's a cheap grill versus the aluminum one. The aluminum one, you can really do the same thing you do to the bumpers, pull it apart, sand it, buff it out, and make it look really good. So all the light lenses, these lenses, side lenses, they were all replaced. They're all BJ's off-road lenses. The chrome housings were replaced. I did use the 86 and up decals that go on the side, the 4x4, and the Grand Wagoneer script, the V8 script. I just like that better than what came on the 85. Don't like the look of the 85. I think this makes it look a lot sharper. The wheels, of course, are the 86 and up style wheels. I do have the older style, wider ones that were painted gold, and they just didn't ever seem to match anything in my opinion, but I think this looks 10 times sharper. Let's go ahead and we'll do a cold start here. And then you can see on the Holly gives you your water temperature, your timing angle, your RPM, your battery voltage, and a couple other things. And then you can move around and change it and do whatever you want. And if anything is out of whack, such as if your battery alternator is not working correctly, it would be red instead of the white. So right now, the alternator is putting out about 14 volts. Ignition timing, your RPM, there's your temperature up there, 108, 109, it's going up. You can mount that wherever you want it. Now this car is really not the best place to mount anything, but you know, you can put it in the glove compartment if you want. You really don't need to look at it all the time. There's your oil pressure, I don't know, high 30s maybe. Air conditioner. It does have the original clock. Windows all work. The reason these windows work so well is if you look on BJ's off-road website, they make a window motor relay that you mount inside the door and kind of rewire very easily. The original relay to route more straight voltage to the motor. It's a great little product. They're about $70 a piece, I think. And so I did all 4 doors, and it really makes a difference. It just gives you that little extra bump, 1 or 2 volts, so that they really go up down. The problem with these cars, the switches kind of get corroded. The wire's not the best, and connections aren't the best. Even though we've cleaned all those and replaced any wires we got our hands on. But those little relays work outstanding. So those are all on all these doors. The window mirror switch does work. It's about impossible to find a good mirror switch. They don't make them. Some people say they can fix them. I bought 2 of them. They don't work. Anyway, I'm lucky to have this one. It does work. Tailgate down for you. Tailgate goes down. Here's all these chromes, not chrome, aluminum, stainless steel strips were removed and polished. The sides were originally made out of cardboard, really, so we had them remade out of plywood, and they're covered with the ACC custom carpet. And then here's your floor. It's covered with the Raptor bed liner, as previously mentioned, and then we applied a Dynamat type material to the ceiling, to the floor, to the sides, inside the doors. Then we covered that with a Noeco closed cell foam on top of that, which really knocks down the heat as well as the sound. So and then on the driver's side and the passenger side front, I used a heavier foam with a butyl rubber insert. Looks like a sandwich, 2 pieces of foam with a piece of hard butyl rubber between the 2 of them. And that's what's on the front floor. So that really knocks down the sound. That's what they use on knock down the sound of diesel engines on boats. Great product, and then the carpet, of course, is applied to the top of that. And of course, this panel back here, all new plywood. It's covered with the ACC carpet, and then the aluminum strip. It runs real smooth, drives great. Show you, I did a second video with the shot from underneath the car that shows you the new exhaust, new steering components, new leaf springs, rebuilt transmission, rebuilt transfer unit, rebuilt drive shaft, of course new brakes, new axle bearings on all 4 wheels, new rotors, pads, hoses. That's it. I think this is the nicest car I've done so far. You can compare this car to Wagon Master or Country Gentleman. They both have significantly higher prices. Wagon Master does use the Jasper motor as well. I did use the Wagon Master exterior trim here, and this is the BJ's vinyl on the inside. But, yeah, Wagon Master sells great cars, but they're selling for 120 and up. So more power to the guy. But he does not give a warranty. Nobody gives a warranty. I'm not giving a warranty. This is a 38-year-old car, but I've replaced most every component that I could. So I think this car's going to run and last pretty long with the new motor and the new components, water pumps, that type of thing. So, and it's got all the rubber, carpet. So it's a great car. I used to live in West Palm Beach, and we relocated to the Jacksonville area. More than welcome to come look at this car and take a test ride. I'd love for you to see it, compare it to whatever else you've been looking at. All right, look forward to hearing from you.